Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita and today I'm going to do a Pilates class focused on the glutes and the legs. So let's begin on the mat, lying on our backs. So you're lying on your back, feet hip distance apart, and we're just going to warm up our glutes. Place the palms near your hips and we're going to roll up one vertebra at a time, lifting up. And let's hold it there for 3, 2, 1, and then roll back down. Rolling back up, squeezing and down. Up and down. Tuck your chin in slightly. Good. And let's squeeze the glutes up and try not to touch the glutes on the mat when you come down. So we're keeping that resistance in the glutes. Good, up and down. Let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. You're doing so well. 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to hold it up and we're going to come up onto our toes. Coming up onto our toes, and then we're going to drop the glutes down and lift them back up. So we're also working our calf muscles here too. Up and down. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7. Really add that squeeze at the top. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold it up and we're going to pulse for 10, 9, 8. Staying on your toes. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then drop it down. Beautiful. Hug your knees in. Have a little rock one way. Have a little rock the other way. This time we're bringing the soles of our feet together and we're opening up our knees. Hands beside your hips. We're squeezing up and we're working the outside glutes and rolling back down. Squeezing up and down, up and down, up and down. Good. Try not to touch the buttocks when you come close to the mat. And let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold it up and pulse, 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 pulse. You should feel the outside glutes working. Beautiful. Keep pulsing for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it up and little open and close of the knees. Little open and close of the knees. That's it for the last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Keep those hips up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently bring the knees back down and roll the spine back onto the mat. Hug your knees in. Have a little rock one way. Have a little rock the other way. We're going to roll over onto our elbows. Rolling over onto our elbows, bringing our knees underneath our hips. And then we're going to lift up one leg. Straighten it up. The toe is touching the mat. We're going to lift up and down, up and down. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Keep the abs pulled in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold it up. Bend the knee. Push the ceiling away with your foot for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to straighten the leg and take the leg across the opposite foot and bring it back to the ceiling. Across the opposite foot and bring it back to the ceiling for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Let's do the other side. Extend the opposite leg, toe pointing down, lifting up and down, up and down. So we're working the glutes as well as the lower back here. Up and down. And our glutes are so important to support our posture. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now lift up that knee, bend the foot. You're pushing the ceiling away with the foot. So try not to drop the knee too low. Keep it nice and high, keeping the glutes activated. For 10. You're doing so well. Keep breathing. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten the leg, lift it up and bring it across the opposite foot and back up to the ceiling. Across the opposite foot, back up to the ceiling. That's it for 10. Abs pulled in. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. And then just come and rest in child's pose. Breathing in, breathing out. You should feel your glutes activated. We're going to roll over to the side. And I'm going to rest my head on my bicep. Bend the knees, hip on top of hip, knee on top of knee, toes together. And we're going to open and close. Open and close. Good. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to lift the foot up and the knee up for 10, 9. Keep that glute activated. 7, 6. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Toes together. Open up, keeping one knee on the floor and lifting one knee off with the foot. That's it. Lifting up, squeezing that glute. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and tap it out. Beautiful. We've got to balance that out with the other side. Lying on the mat, bending the knee, head resting on your bicep, knee over knee, hip over hip, toes together, open, close. Keep your belly button pulled in. And breathe for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to lift the heel and the knee up and down. Keep the abs pulled in for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Toes together. We're going to lift the toes and the knee up and keeping one knee on the mat. Pull the belly button in, squeeze it in for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And tap it out. Beautiful. So that's our glutes worked. Let's just stretch it out. Bring one foot in front of the other. Try not to touch the heel to the back shin and walk your fingers forward. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. And then walk your fingers back. Change sides. Walk your fingers forward. Breathing in, breathing out, stretching it out, using your breath. And then come back, close your eyes, relax your shoulders, take a nice big exhale, nice big inhale. And acknowledge your commitment that you just made to yourself. I thank you for your time and allowing me into your living rooms. If you've liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.